Welcome to another video of Best Deals. Check the description below as discounts and coupons will only be valid through those links.
Champion Power Equipment makes both traditional portable generators and inverter generators. But what exactly is an inverter, and why would you want one? All generators need to run on combustible fuel, usually gasoline or propane, to power a motor attached to an alternator that produces power. Traditional generators use a mechanical alternator to produce AC power, while inverter generators convert that AC power to DC power before digitally inverting it back to a cleaner, true sine wave AC power. Inverters are usually smaller and lighter, but also more expensive due to the high-level electronics used. Inverters use idle control and are able to run at variable speeds depending on the specific electrical demand, which often makes them significantly quieter and more fuel efficient. This is an important feature when using your inverter while camping or with your RV, when a quiet source of portable power is necessary. Champion inverters become even more fuel efficient and quieter when running in eco mode. This feature idles down the engine, conserves fuel, and extends your inverter's runtime and engine life. Champion inverters produce a cleaner, smoother, steadier flow of power with a harmonic distortion of less than 3%, which makes them perfect for powering sensitive electronics, such as audio or stereo equipment. Champion inverters can also be paired with one another to increase your power capacity. This parallel capability provides you with the power of larger generators and the transportation, portability, and storage convenience of smaller generators. Champion inverters, your perfect choice for quiet, clean, fuel-efficient, portable power.
Congratulations! You just bought a Win 2000 watt inverter generator, and now you need to know how to get her running. The following simple steps will show you how to prepare your generator for its first load. Start by placing the generator on a level surface. Remove the 3 screws holding the side panel in place in order to gain access to the oil fill opening. This panel is on the right hand side of the generator and features an oil fill label to help signify the location of the opening. Slide the panel off to reveal the bright orange oil fill cap in the bottom right hand corner of the generator. Unscrew the oil fill cap in order to gain access to the opening. To avoid tipping the generator, use a funnel to put in 0.35 liters of oil. You'll know the generator has enough once you can see the oil climbing up the threads of the opening. At this point, screw the oil cap back into place and reattach the side panel of the generator. Next step is to add gasoline. Unscrew the top and pour in up to 1 gallon of 87 octane minimum gasoline until the surface of the gas reaches the bottom of the fuel filter. To start the generator, first turn the vacuum release valve on top of the gasoline cap to the on position. Next, make sure all electronics are unplugged from the generator and the economy switch is off. Turn the dial over to the choke position and then give the recoil starter a pull. Once the generator is fired up, switch the dial back to the on position. The output light should be glowing green as a sign that the generator is running properly. Finally, to turn the generator off, simply switch the dial over to the off position. If you still seem to have troubles getting the generator up and running, or if you just have general questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-232-1195. Remember when you had a reliable yet quiet generator?
Remember when?
The power's out. And while some people are willing to settle for a few days of hassles,
You expect more, like the peace of mind that comes from a reliable generator, so you can keep your favorite appliances and electronics up and running for hours or even days. And one that runs quietly, because a power outage shouldn't keep you from enjoying carefree time with your family and friends. This is what the Q6500 Quiet Power Series inverter generator was built for, proven to run over 60% quieter than most standard generators. It lets you keep powering refrigerators, freezers, sump pumps, and other critical electronics without unwanted noise. But noise isn't the only hassle this generator takes on. With a 306cc Briggs & Stratton integrated engine and alternator, it has a runtime of up to 14 hours. That means you can save money on gas and refuel less often. A telescopic handle and lightweight design make maneuvering easy, while an all-steel frame, protective shell, and compact design protect internal components, as well as your storage space. With the Q6500 Quiet Power Series inverter generator, you can take on your next power outage with confidence. Quiet confidence.
The great thing about generators is being able to bring power with you where you need it, when you need it. Whether it's at the campsite, on an RV trip, on the job site, or for backup power at home or at the cottage, portable generators are the perfect solution for all kinds of scenarios. The great thing about the new Honda EU2000i generators is that they provide all of that in one of the lightest and quietest packages on the market. The EU2000i generator delivers 2,000 watts at peak output and 13.3 amps. So what does that mean? It means you can run everything from handheld power tools to outdoor lights, backup shore power when you're boating, or for emergency situations like power outages where you need to keep your furnace fan or sump pump going. Plus, thanks to the clean power produced by the EU2000i, it's safe to use with your sensitive electronics. That's right, laptops, cell phones, you can keep connected, even in the middle of nowhere. At less than 21 kilograms or 46 pounds, this unit is easy to carry. The patented technology on the exhaust and muffler makes it a super quiet solution for situations where you need reliable, portable power without all the noise. While there's a lot you can power with the new EU2000i on its own, there are times when it would be handy to have twice as much power. And that's no problem. The new EU2000i can now be paralleled with the EU2000i companion model. So I'm going to let my good-looking friend here tell you all about this exciting new feature. Thanks. So one of the coolest features about the new EU2000i is that by using this parallel operation cable, we can combine this EU2000 with the companion model, giving you 4,000 watts peak output. Here's where it gets even better. Having high voltage without adequate amperage limits the amount of power you can get out of your generator, regardless of how much power it's actually producing. The new EU2000i companion features a built-in 30-amp twist-lock outlet, allowing you to unlock the power that these two generators are producing. Did I mention that the 30-amp outlet was built in? This is what gives you the maximum rated amperage output available for powering devices that require higher voltage and amperage, like AC units for your RV. It's easy to see how these generators can not only suit your needs for today, but can easily be expanded if and when those needs grow in the future. Nicely done. To find out more about the EU2000i series and the entire line of Honda generators, visit honda.ca. And be sure to subscribe here for all the latest updates from Honda Canada.
Westinghouse, innovation you can be sure of.
If your outdoor activities require electricity, a portable generator is a must. Generac's IQ 2000 portable inverter generator is perfect for tailgating, camping, hunting, or any time you need to power up your outdoor adventure. Inverter generators use a different type of alternator than standard portable generators. A digital inverter module converts raw power produced by the generator from DC to AC power. Best of all, the IQ 2000 varies its engine speed based on electrical demand, which significantly reduces noise levels and fuel consumption. One of the main considerations with any generator is noise. A loud generator can ruin your party or a good night's sleep. The IQ 2000 is quiet. In fact, when tested in a third-party lab, the IQ 2000 ran quieter than its competitors. When you're out at the game or at the campsite, there's nothing worse than running out of fuel when you least expect it. You don't have to worry about that with this handy runtime remaining display, which shows how long before you need to refuel. That's just one of the helpful features on the IQ 2000 that you won't find on any other portable generator. For starters, this thing is super easy to use. The power dial puts start, run, and stop functions right at your fingertips. And the simple switch lets you choose between turbo, standard, or economy power modes. Choosing the lower modes reduces noise and fuel consumption. Status indicators alert you to low fuel, low oil, overload, or overheating. The exclusive power bar monitors and instantly displays the wattage you're producing at any given moment. The generator's 2,000 starting watts is enough to power all your tailgating or campsite appliances. Of course, there are times when you need more power. Fortunately, the IQ 2000 is parallel ready. Just connect two IQ 2000 generators using the optional parallel kit to get almost twice the power. Setting it up is as simple as plugging in an appliance. The IQ 2000 weighs in at less than 50 pounds, making it very easy to carry wherever you need it. Portable generators bring comfort and convenience to your outdoor activities. Pack a Generac IQ 2000 portable inverter generator to power up your next expedition.
We will appreciate your likes and comments. Enjoy your savings and subscribe for new deals.